Hello wonderful people, welcome back again in another video. Guys, how are you all doing today? I hope everyone is doing beautiful. Yes guys, today I have come with a very interesting topic. In today's video I will be teaching you how you can make a core customer perfume by yourself, or customer follow me perfume by yourself. And this perfume is very highly effective. This is the type of perfume that you need throughout this year if you want to be making good sales. If you are into business, or maybe you are into contracts, whether online business, this particular perfume is all that you are going to be needing throughout this year. If you want to succeed, if you want to end up this year with an exotic car, you want to end up this year with an exotic house, you want to end up this year with all these luxurious things that you are aiming to have, then keep on watching. And if you are just joining us, you are just seeing this face for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe to this channel and then turn on your notification bell, because in this channel we are going to be teaching you a lot of spiritual things that probably you might have not heard, okay, that is going to benefit you, your loved ones, your friends. All right. And to my audience, to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back, checking on my upload. May God Almighty visit you all this year in a good way. All right, so guys, today we are going to be making customer follow me perfume very highly effective, 100% effective. So if you want to know the ingredients that we are going to be making use of in this particular video, please keep on watching. So number one ingredient in our list is bitter leaf. We all know bitter leaf. Yes, you need bitter leaf, okay? That is going to be our base. Number two ingredient in our list is what? You need a salt. Now, you are going to be needing a fresh salt. What I mean by fresh salt is this: if you already have this salt in your kitchen, please do not make use of it. Go get a new one. You can get a smaller size, okay? Get a new one. That is number second ingredient. The number third ingredient in our list is what? Perfume. You are going to be needing perfume. You can use any perfume of your choice, okay? Any perfume that you like, or maybe any perfume that you have been using for years, you like perfume, you can just make use of it. Just any of your choice, you can make use of it, okay? So that is number third ingredient. Number fourth ingredient on our list is what? Miracle water. Now this miracle water, it is called uju water. You can get it from a tree that has hole. That is where this water normally gathered. This water is everything spiritually. Yes, it heals. This water is a miraculous water. This water destroys charms. This water can make a dumb person to start speaking. This water, in fact, when it comes to miracle, this water is number one. It's number one. So make sure that, I don't want to make this video long. If not, I will start counting the work of this water and how you can be using it. But you can just follow us on this channel. If you want to know more about this water, you can just follow us. I'll be making more videos using this particular water, okay? So subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you want to know more about this water, subscribe to this channel. So you need this water, okay? You need it. If you cannot get it in a spiritual shop where they normally sell spiritual stuff, you can order it from me. I have original one, but make sure that you have original one, okay? The one that they have never missed. Don't allow them to give you fake one, because when you use fake one, probably it might not work for you. It might not work for you. So get original one if you want to make sales. If you don't want money to be lacking in your hand this year, this perfume is highly recommended for those who like wearing spiritual perfume, okay? So all you have to do is gather your scent leaf, wash it properly, remove the dirty part of it, and then squeeze out the juice. That juice, you are going to be measuring 2 spoons. add from that juice. Okay, so measure it, pour it in your sprayable container. Pour it in your sprayable container. Measure 2 spoons of bitter leaf juice, put it inside a sprayable container, and then take a pinch of salt from that new salt that you just bought. Open it, that first salt that you're going to be pouring out, take a pinch of it, include it on that bitter leaf juice. After you must have done that, now pour the miracle water inside the bitter leaf mixture, and then finally take your perfume, open it, and then divide it into 2. Pour half inside that sprayable container, then cover it well, mix it, shake it very, very well. After you have done that, now you are going to be opening the sprayable container again, your mixture. Open it and then pray over it. Make a wish, whatever is your wish, whatever is your desire, whatever thing that you're aiming to have this year, or maybe your plan. If you're planning to build a house, make a wish, whatever is your plan that you want, you wish yourself this year that you want to have concerning wealth. Make that prayer on that perfume and then cover it back again and then shake it. Now this is how you're going to be using it. If you are going out for business, maybe you have a shop where you normally sell, spray it on your body, then go come back with testimony. I tell you, you will sell market that day. You will sell. You can just decide to be carrying it along in your bag, doesn't matter. Then if you are going for contract visits, maybe you want somebody to give you a contract and you have been aiming for that contract, then spray this perfume all over your body, then go and visit that person. I tell you, they are not going to terminate that contract from you. They're not going to reject you. They'll just give you that contract with immediate effects. So if you are looking for success, if you're looking for good luck, for those who normally have bad luck, you can use this water. It will remove hatred from you. It will remove all those bad luck and then embrace good luck to you. This is not a joke. I know that some people will say, does it really work? My dear, my sister, my brother and brethren, it works perfectly well, 100%. I cannot just come here and be uploading something just to be dragging viewers and subscribers. No. Okay, so do this particular perfume is highly 100% effective for those who normally like wearing spiritual favor perfume, good luck perfume, all of this perfume stuff. Okay, this is the most effective one. But whereby you cannot get this Uju miracle water, you can do it like that, but it is not going to be effective as this. When you added this, it's not going to be effective, like 100% effective. It's going to be effective even if you do not add this. But so understand what I mean. When you added this, it is a plus to boost, to make it work like magic, boom, like fast. You understand? So you need this if you want that fast, like fast. This water, this is the water. You people don't know what God created in this water. You people don't know. This water is a miracle water. This water, I know what I'm saying now. I know people that have used it can confirm. So, people that have already known about this water can confirm it. All right. So, guys, that is the end of the video. If you need to order this product from me, maybe the water, you can order the water from me and then use your hand to do the mixture. Good and fine. Okay. So my number is 090-5982-5779. Brethren, guys, I am now active. I am now on Telegram. You can just chat me there. If you cannot get me on WhatsApp, you can just chat me on the Telegram. I am equally on Telegram now. So guys, that is the end of the video. If you need any of my products, please give me a chat up on a WhatsApp or a Telegram. These two networks, I am active on Telegram and WhatsApp now. Okay, so guys, that is the end of the video for today. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and then if you have any question regarding this, please you can just drop it on the comment section. See you guys on my next episode. They have a wonderful day. Bye bye.